Welcome to Java programming. In this lecture, you will learn output statements. You are already familiar with the print line. Let us see other output statements in Java. So system output print line will print and the cursor moves to the next line. After printing the line, whatever data you want to print or whatever information you want to print, then the cursor goes to the next line. There is also system out print, not print line, print. In this case, it prints the information and cursor remains at the end of the statement printed. So that is the difference between print line and print statement. We have third one, the print line printf, very similar to the printf statement in C. So here, therefore, it is a formatted print statement, and we can use therefore %f, %d, etc. the same specifiers, format specifiers as they are in C programming. So it is very easy, and to do that we have to import this class, formatter class, which is also there in java.util.formatter. Let us see, we'll take this. So to format specifiers, yeah, so we import therefore java util.formatted. Please note f is capital, and if you use %d, we get the decimal integer. So suppose it's a %08d, so it is going to be padded with 0. The same number is going to be padded with 0, as you see here. So 8 digits are going to be displayed. %f will add zeros at the end of the decimal point, as you see here. 5.45, then we will be up to 6 decimal points. Then we would like to restrict it to less decimal point. When you say 0.2f, there is going to be only 2 decimal points. This is how we can control or format the information, integer or floating information and numbers. So let us use it. So let us take this example to calculate the area of a triangle given the lengths of 3 sides. To do that, we use this formula. It is square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2. So these are the two formulae we are going to use. As I said here, so we are importing scanner class, we are importing formatter class. Scanner class to input data and formatter class to format data. And since we are using the sqrt here, in C we imported, we said include math.h. So here instead of that we said java lang.math, so which contains the square root function, the method. Let us see. So we are going to name this program as area triangle.java. So that is how you have to store this code in your respective directory. Then we come to main, as you are familiar with, and first thing is we are going to create scanner object, because we want to import, we want to input data, and for that we need to use this object. And now we say enter the lengths of 3 sides, information for the user. So he or she knows what he is supposed or she is supposed to do. So immediately we know that you have to enter lengths of 3 sides. Therefore, we are going to use next. In this case, we are using next int. So a, b, c. So it inputs. We input 3 numbers, and 3 numbers will be assigned to a, b, and c, which are the lengths of 3 sides of the triangle. Then we use this. You find s, because to use this formula we need to find the value of s. So s, so that is a double, because you are dividing by 2 is a floating number. So s is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2. So I have calculated s. Now you substitute the value of s in that formula. So for that is a math.sqrt. In C we directly we say sqrt. Now sqrt is a method in this class math. Therefore, it's a math.sqrt within brackets s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. It calculates this value and it assigns to this variable called area, which is also declared as double. Now we display the results. So print, we are going to use printf statement formatted. That's why we have imported formatter. So then there is a this is the area of triangle with sides. So a will appear, value of a, b, c will appear equal to 0.2f. Therefore, 2 decimal, formatted to 2 decimal numbers. So this is the whole program. So let us see now. What we have to do is you compile it using Java triangle area triangle dot Java, as you see. Then you said you call that Java virtual machine, which converts this byte code into the program, executable program. So then enter the lengths of 3 sides. We have entered 473. See, it gives you 0. Why? Because 473 is 14. 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. Therefore, s minus b is going to be 0. So this is not the correct value. So it is going to be 0. We are saying, then we try this 478. Now it is going to give you the area of the triangle, which is 14. So this is again a very simple program to show how you input three values for the 3 sides of the triangle. You calculate the value of s and then use this formula, and then you use this method sqr to find the square root of this s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, and then you display using the formatter printf statement in Java, which is very similar to the printf statement in C programming. We'll come to one more. We have already done that. This Celsius to Fahrenheit, you are already familiar with. Again, we are getting the value of C, Celsius, temperature cells in float, and then we are using this formula as we have done that. And here we have shown the formatted statement, point to F. So much of centigrade is converted to Fahrenheit and F will appear, and here is the example. I entered 0, naturally 0.0 C is equal to 32 2 decimals here, Fahrenheit. You enter 100 and 100 degrees centigrade is equal to 212.00 Fahrenheit. And then here third, you enter 97, as you see 97.0 centigrade is a 206.60 Fahrenheit. So this is the result using the formatter printf statement. Now these are some exercises which you should go through and write all these. Again, that we have already done this third one and the fourth one. You try the fifth one, first and the second problems, and that is how you learn. Unless you write the code and then execute it, you will not learn. So therefore, to learn, you have to make mistakes, and from the mistakes you are going to learn how to write good program and develop very good programming habits of indenting the code properly, etc. Thank you, and have a nice day.